All right, on number 9, we are going to find 80% of y is 20. We're going to use our equation to find y. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 80%. Well, that's 80 out of 100. Of means to multiply. So times y, and I'm just going to put them side by side so that we know it means multiply. 80 over 100, y is means equals 20. So let's change that 80 over 100, 80 hundredths, to 80 hundredths as a decimal. And then I can solve a little bit more simply. I want to get y by itself. I want to get to 1y. So I'm going to have to divide both sides by 80 hundredths so that when I cancel out 80 divided by 80 hundredths divided by 80 hundredths is 1y. And that will equal 25 when I divide on that side. The last part is just 1y is the same thing as y, and that equals 25. So our best answer is that one, 25.